Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Meet Pipo, the smart parrot who loves to fly and make friends. Pipo is a green parrot. He is very bright and happy. He lives with his owner, Anna. Anna loves Pipo very much. Pipo is a special bird. He can say many words. He is smart and funny. Every morning, Pipo says, "Good morning." Anna hears him and smiles. She gives him seeds to eat. Pipo loves to eat his food. He also drinks water. He likes to drink water after eating. After breakfast, Pipo looks out the window. He likes to watch people and cars in the park. There's a lot to see. One day, Anna opens a window. The breeze feels nice. Pipo sees a butterfly. It is beautiful and colorful. Pipo gets excited. He thinks, "I want to see the butterfly up close." So he flies out a window. "Pipo, come back." Anna shouts. But Pipo is very happy. He flies high in the sky. He looks at the city below. The buildings are tall. Pipo sees a cat. The cat looks at Pipo with big eyes. Pipo says, "Hello, cat." The cat is surprised. It jumps and runs away. Pipo laughs and thinks it is funny. Next, Pipo flies to the tree. There are other birds sitting in the tree. They are singing sweet songs. Pipo says, "Good morning." The birds look at him. They are quiet. They don't talk like Pipo. After a long day of flying and exploring, Pipo feels tired. He misses Anna. He wants to go home. So he flies back home and sits on the window. When Anna sees him, she is very happy. She gives him a big apple slice. Pipo's eyes shine with joy. He says, "Thank you, Anna." Anna laughs and feels proud. "You are my smart parrot, Pipo," she says. Pipo loves Anna so much. After a nice dinner, Pipo goes to sleep. He is ready for a new day of fun. He dreams about butterflies and other birds. Pipo is a happy parrot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.